So back to our project. I just forgot to I'll show you to convert, let's say, our side boundary in shapefile or another area into a shapefile. I just focused on points, on lines. Let's say we need the polygons, the side boundary in this example. So let's just select it here. As you can see, it is selected here in yellow. It is here. So right click, export. I don't want any of these attributes. Save all selected features and OK. And it is here as a line. And after we do this, we can just go to lines to polygons. Type here lines to polygons in the processing toolbox. Select the layer and the feature and run. Okay, we have our polygon here the same way we did before. So let's say I wanna our buildings, all of these buildings as areas, as a polygon. Just open the attribute table here and let's change here the selection. So layer, and let's select which attribute we wanna from layer. I know it's building. Let's see if it works. And close. It is supposed to work. So we have here all the buildings selected. So let's try just line to polygons. Entities L, only the selected. Run all of them here as polygons as a new shapefile, and we just need to save it definitely as a shapefile. Okay, these are our buildings. Now the next step I was supposed to show you was a deeper symbology, maybe, before we going to print it. Let's say from our previous lesson, we can just improve this symbology. I'll turn off the CAD file here. So from our pipelines, I want to show, for example, in the labels, the fields, not from, or the fields I want to show the diameter, the material, and the diameter. Okay, these will be, as you can see here in the preview, they will be attached, so I need to set space between them. So I will do this here. So PVC, I can add a, just keep this way. I can add the symbol for diameter, let's say diameter. Okay, and all of them. Let's select the on, above, and apply. Okay, let's change the buffer to make it more visible, all of our lines will be indicated, all the material and the diameter. And we can also, well, this will be nice. Let's show you here. We can even show the width based on the attribute and diameter as well. So the diameter will define the thickness of the line. Here, let's say here, field the diameter line. See, it's a mess. Why is that? Because let's go to the table. Look at the mess it is right now. Because the diameter, look, the unity here is the millimeter, so of course it's a huge size. So let's go back then to the symbology. Well, let's change the diameter to this option. So not only the pipe, but let's split it by 1000 diameter millimeters. Okay, let's copy for all the other. So the wider the diameter, wider will be the symbol. Okay, the same here, width again, add it here again. Okay, let's see how this works. Apply. Okay, all of them are pretty similar because they don't change much their thickness. So let's say I'll change this one here to 900 maybe. Let's see what happens here. Diameter, that is it here, 900 maybe. Okay, save. It is a bit thicker, if you can note, comparing to this 150 to 900. I'll change again just to make it more visible. Instead of 1000, I'll change to 500. 500, copy. Okay, this one same way. The proportion was kept. Okay, but you can see based on the thickness, and you can do the same for the materials and whatever. Let's say again for the manholes, I'll save this. One last tip, the manholes, I wanna show the manhole, what we have here in the manholes. Multiple tables. Let's see, I wanna see the cover level and the invert level. Okay, so what can I do here? Labels, expression, as I showed you before. Here I want to break the line again, block, and let's see fields. I want to cover, break, new line, break, and invert. See, here we have I don't want this amount of numbers, so let's round. The value is this one. Places, I wanna just one, close, or two maybe. Here we have same here, round here and 2 places will be enough. 2 and close. All good, all done, and apply. So we have here the covert and the invert. Those numbers doesn't seem clear. Just go back here. Let's make it clearer. So we broke the line round. Let's add here CL apostrophe double bar. So we have a CL space. We broke the line here again, round here, IL space apostrophe broke line, and we have very clear what we wanna see. Clearer than this is impossible. A good, very good work. So let's save, and now we will arrange our printing layout. So let's go here, layout manager. I wanna use an A1 format layout. So I have the template, so I will have change here to specific. Look where I have the template is this one. Open, and I'll have this and create. It will ask us the name of this layout. I'll say A1 site layout. Let's go there. See, it brought us the whole layout with this site view, only part of the site because it is what we are seeing. But let's create a view, a theme here. So A1 view, maybe, I don't know. Let's keep this way, and let's go back to our site layout and change this view to our A1 view and update. Here there's nothing different. I've already shown you. We just need to adjust all of our, for example, legend and whatever we want to show in this project. Okay, simple like that. We might need to adjust the thickness and the scale or size of labels, and something more you understand is important for this project. Okay.